Drones are being used by the UAE to control Dubai's weather. Droughts are caused by Dubai's limited rainfall and high temperatures. Now, drones are assisting in combating the problem. The idea of controlling the weather sounds like something out of a Hollywood blockbuster, but as temperatures rise, scientists in the United Arab Emirates are making it a reality. To combat the extreme heat, the government of Dubai is using cloud seeding methods to artificially create rainstorms. Weather officials in the UAE recently shared a video on Instagram depicting heavy rains in the region as a result of the program. Continue to watch and make sure to watch the entire video. Click the subscribe button and enable notifications to receive new updates. Having said that, let's return to our countdown. Scientists are using electrical charges delivered by drones to force the UAW as a desert nation that receives 4 inches of rain per year on average. However, with temperatures in Dubai consistently exceeding 115 degrees Fahrenheit, the government hopes that these man-made storms will help alleviate some of the heat. Weather modification has been attempted for decades, but what is being used in the UAE is a newer method of cloud seeding that not only avoids some of the environmental issues that other methods do, but may also have larger applications. Because the method produces large raindrops, cloud seeding may also aid in drought relief. It's moving to think that the rainfall technology I saw today, which is still being developed, may someday help countries in water-scarce environments like the UAE, said Mansour Abulhol, ambassador of the United Arab Emirates to the United Kingdom, following a demonstration of the technology at the University of Reading in May. According to the National Center of Meteorology, the UAE is one of the first countries in the Gulf region to use cloud seeding technology to combat climate concerns. The Gulf, however, is not the only region of the world using cloud seeding technology. According to Scientific American, at least 8 states in the western United States, as well as other countries around the world, are using various cloud seeding technologies to increase precipitation. Certainly, we're in a better position now to address that question than we were 10 years ago, said Jeff French, an atmospheric scientist at the University of Wyoming. The state of science has advanced to the point where it's a question that we can and should be attempting to answer right now. The climate crisis is causing the planet to heat up like never before. Residents of Portland, Oregon experienced record-breaking heat in June 2021 when temperatures reached 116 degrees Fahrenheit, and Lytton, British Columbia set a record in July when temperatures reached 121.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The United Arab Emirates frequently experiences similar temperatures as well as very little rainfall, an average of less than 4 inches per year, resulting in droughts. Weather-controlling drones may now be able to assist in combating this deadly water shortage. Success with cloud seeding. The UAE has invested $15 million in 9 different rain enhancement projects, one of which is the University of Reading's rain-controlling drones. The drones do not create rain, but they do help to kickstart rain production by seeding clouds. They use an electric charge to zap the clouds, which then charge the droplets inside. The National Center of Meteorology, or NCM, has conducted 126 instances of cloud seeding since the beginning of 2021. What we're trying to do is make the droplets inside the clouds big enough that when they fall out, they survive down to the surface, explained Karen Nickel, one of the project's core investigators. The technique has successfully produced rain over Dubai, resulting in safety warnings for drivers on slick roads. Concerns about the cloud. Of course, not everyone agrees that tampering with natural weather patterns is a good idea. Some experts claim that the cloud seeding technique causes dangerous flooding. However, Sufian Farah, a meteorologist and cloud seeding expert at the NCM, disagrees. We only increase the amount of rain, we do not cause floods. We avoid seeding some clouds because it would be too dangerous for aircraft to penetrate them, he told Wired about it. However, the technique may result in additional risks. The UAE and other parts of the world uses chemicals to generate rain in addition to cloud seeding with electrical charges. For example, Professor Linda Zhao used salt crystals coated in titanium dioxide nanoparticles to create a new aerosol material for cloud seeding. The substance is currently being tested in the United States. While scientists are optimistic about the material's impact on rain, titanium dioxide nanoparticles have been labeled as possible carcinogens by the World Health Organization's International Agency for Cancer Research. As we continue to read about once-in-a-lifetime weather events in the news, we can expect to see innovative engineering solutions used to mitigate their effects. Keep an eye out for drones and bring an umbrella. The video has ended. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more entertaining and informative content. See you in the next video.